Yep, we're up on a trail, battling our way through this, cutting trees and shoveling, and haven't had to use the winch yet. And look what we got over here. Bunker crap exhaust system over here. Somebody just left up here. Probably some Jeep or somebody. Well, we're gonna haul it out of here. But we don't need this garbage up here, man. This is an eyesore. A couple years ago I was up here and I seen an exhaust system up here too. So here's my second exhaust system that I've seen up here. This one I'm hauling out of here. Time for it to go. Gotta bring a big old F-150 up in here to get this out of here. Big dog shit. Man, look at this guy right here. He's just kicking on back, nice and toasty by fire, getting all dried out from the rainstorm. Problem is, he's just tearing up this bottle right here and making himself at home, but he said he's got to get back to the city here tomorrow sometime. So long, buddy. It's been real.